ChatGPT has released the Code Interpreter plugin for GPT Plus users, and this is amazing. It can do a lot of things and can replace many websites and software. In this video, I will show you some examples of what it can do. First, to activate the Code Interpreter, you have to go to Settings and enable the Code Interpreter in Beta Features. Once the beta feature is activated, you are able to select the Code Interpreter option in any new GPT-4 chat instance, as you can see in the following. Once Code Interpreter is active, you can see that the prompt input field is extended with an option to upload files. By using the upload function, you can supply Code Interpreter with additional data, such as datasets, which are needed to solve a coding task. Let's see Code Interpreter in action. First, let's choose a dataset from Kaggle. For example, in this video, this YouTuber used a dataset of Tesla stock. Once uploaded and given a simple instruction, it provided the code and a simple analysis. By further instructing GPT, it generated a visualization graph. You can also upload your YouTube traffic data and get visualizations of views by traffic sources, watch time by traffic sources, etc. Additionally, you can upload a photo and ask GPT to create a GIF, just like this YouTuber did to create a dramatic zoom effect. Furthermore, you can perform simple editing on your images, such as changing colors, cropping, and creating images for data. You can even extract a color palette from an image or generate a QR code. If you want a more detailed video, click the link below in the pinned comment.